Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do the St. Patrick's Day makeup look. So let's just get started. I'm going to use is this Urban Decay eye primer. So that's what it looks like. Just put this over here in your eyes. This will make your eyeshadow stay longer. I know a lot of people use concealer and stuff. You could use that also. I haven't bought an eye primer in a while, but I used to use Urban Decay a lot for my eye. So the green I'm going to use, the color I'm going to use is by BHCosmetics, and the color I'm going to use is green one right here, and I'm going to go to my crease. Not bad. What are you guys doing for St. Patrick's Day? That is very bright green. Wow. Cut a piece of tape and make sure you put it in your hand so you can get the little, at least a little bit of the sticky. It won't hurt when you take it off. So make sure you do that first. That looks so pretty with this tape. The only reason why I'm doing that is because these greens, it could be like fall off. So the next color is gonna be this green one right here. If you guys don't have this palette, it's okay. You could always find something similar. There's plenty different greens out there. Just be creative. I add this right here in my outer crease. Just gonna blend, blend, blend. Next is gonna be the black shade, and I'm going to use from this palette this one right here. That's gonna be for my outer crease. And the e.l.f. mirror came so handy because it's small. Make sure you blend, guys. Blend, blend, blend. That's nice. Like it. If I would do St. Patrick's Day, I think this is the makeup I would do, but it's pretty. So for my inner corner, I'm going to use this yellow color right here, and the brush I'm going to use is the pencil brush by Sigma. The color from the same palette is white, and I'm just going to put it on my brow bones. And the brush I'm going to use is by Sigma. So now I'm going to put my liquid eyeliner. I need to look for a different one, but I really love this one. If you have any suggestions for me to try a new one, just comment down below and let me know. The liner is on, so now we're just going to remove this tape. Oops. So now we're just going to do exactly the same thing with the on top. We're going to use the same colors on the bottom right there. So we're just going to use the same brushes. Next is going to be the lashes, and the one I'm going to use is the one by Bonnie Curve. It's this one right here. I don't know the exact name, but this is the ones. The package doesn't say the name. It probably was on the plastic, but when I ripped the plastic off, it probably just went to the trash with the rest of it. So I'm just going to skip that part and come back to do the rest of the face. Oh my gosh, I love these lashes. They are beautiful. I will put the link down below. So I'm just gonna let the glue dry, and then I'm going to put the rest of my face and go back and put some mascara, which I don't want to wear mascara because I don't want to ruin the lashes. They are so gorgeous. Anastasia contour kit. And the blush I'm going to use is this one right here, the same one I always use. Still don't know where to get this blush. And for the highlighter is going to be the Jacqueline Hale Becca, the fan brush. The next is going to be my mascara on this beautiful lashes. We're just going to move to the concealer, is the one I always use, Shape Tape by Tarte. This is a Morphe beauty sponge, in case you guys are wondering. I don't know if I mentioned it at the beginning. I like this sponge. It has the flat, especially for this part right here. This is so perfect right there to do the cleaning right there. Perfect. That, turn it, and for the corner. This is so perfect. You can find this on Morphe online, or you could go to Ulta and find them there now. I found this sponge in Ulta. I feel like I spent too much time in Ulta, huh? It sounds like it, but it's not. And I found out that they now have a big section of Morphe. Last time I went, it was only a small section. Now it's just a full row of Morphe. Powder, the powder I was gonna use is the e.l.f. The brush I'm going to use is by Morphe. Just put that in there, top of my forehead. Okay, so now moving to the lips, and the color I'm going to use is Speechless by Dosage of Color. This is a brand new color. I bought these, the brush, and that is the name. This color is very pretty. It is very pretty. I like colors like that, natural colors. Very pretty. I really like it. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really like everything I put on. This is not something I will wear in my normal life. If I'm gonna wear makeup, it will be something either natural or very smoky, but like dark smoky, not like bright color like this. So but I really love everything, so I will put everything in the description box. Please subscribe and hit that little bell so you could get a notification every time I post a video. Beautiful day. Love you guys. Bye bye.